Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Puerto Rican coquito. You're going to start with 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cans of cream of coconut, 2 cans of carnation evaporated milk, 6 cans of coconut milk. You're going to need a Don Q 151 and cloves, cinnamon, and star anise, and of course a pot. First thing you're going to do is bring to a boil the star anise, the cloves, and the cinnamon. Okay, so while I leave boiling the cinnamon, the cloves, and the anise, I'm going to go through the process of opening all 12 cans. Okay, the little tea is ready to go. Let me shut it off and strain it. I should have done this earlier, but I did it kind of late, so I need this to be a little colder. I'm just gonna pop it in the freezer for a few minutes so it's not boiling hot when I pour it into the mix. In a deep pot, you're gonna mix 2 cans of carnation milk, 6 cans of coconut milk, 2 cans of coconut cream. You could get any brand, it doesn't really matter. Two cans of sweetened condensed milk. Guys, this stuff gets very sticky. I grabbed a spoon just so I could scoop it out of the can because this stuff is very sticky and very sweet and very delicious. Give that a really good stir. That's why I'm using the whisk, because you want to keep moving it. We're not using a blender, so we definitely want to make sure we continue stirring it throughout the whole process. You're going to add 1 egg yolk. I forgot to mention 1/4 cup of vanilla extract. I did forget to mention that in the beginning. I always seem to forget an ingredient. So strange. So here I mixed the tea inside the can of the coconut cream just to rinse out the can a little bit, and then I poured it into the mix. And the last step is to add the Puerto Rican rum. This is what's going to give it the kick. This is what has all your family members begging for a bottle. This is it right here. Makes it so delicious. Okay, let's give it a little taste. Yummy. Okay guys, so now you're going to take your cinnamon sticks and you're going to just break them in half and pop them inside the bottles. I have all these bottles that I've been saving from when I buy wine throughout the year, and I specifically save them for this time of year. What I do is I pour the mix into something a little easier to pour, and then I take the funnel and that's how I fill up my bottles, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's one of the easiest, most delicious recipes you'll ever taste. Definitely give it a try and you will love it. You will make it every single year. And happy holidays and have a great day. Goodbye.